We have reached the end of this unit on other tax issues associated with individual taxes, and also the last chapter for the semester. We're getting into chapter 14, the tax consequences of homeownership. We'll begin this chapter with some definitions. We want to be able to determine what is the use of the home. So is it personal use, or is it rental use or business use? And then we also want to talk about, is this a primary residence, a personal residence, a principal residence, and get into all of the different types of residence that may be associated with home ownership. Depending on the type of the home ownership will determine the tax consequences of each. So there is a different treatment for if it's your personal residence versus if it's rental property or if it's used for business purposes. So we will look at the consequences associated with that. And then also with the sale of those residents, there are different tax consequences there. If it's going to be your principal residence, it's not going to be included on your individual tax return. So we need to determine how is that determined for tax purposes. We'll also look at some home office deductions, and you'll see how that is used for tax purposes and also for rental use. If you think it would be helpful for your taxes to go for rental use, then we will look at how that is treated differently as well. So this is the end of Accounting 310. It's the end of our unit. It's the end of our semester. I hope that you have learned something about taxes and that you're better able to prepare an individual tax return. If you enjoyed this class, we hope to have you back for Accounting 410, Federal Taxation 2, which will get into more business concepts, and you will see how a lot of these concepts also relate to business purposes. I hope you've enjoyed the semester. I hope you've learned a lot. And if you have any questions or need anything, please reach out. We're happy to help you anytime, even after the semester ends. And we enjoyed having you. We hope you have a great break.